and before 3, I should have my win or loss, and then I'll be out. But that's what I see that's been working for me for the past 2 weeks, and this is just new, so that's what I'm just telling you my
Yeah.
view of it.
You got a day job?
Yeah, I work part-time since I have school too, so.
Okay, true.
Yeah, man. But and also I stick to 2 to 3 pairs. I don't. It confuses me when I look at other pairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Trade.
Okay.
Yeah. If I don't find anything, I sit on my hands and I just wait. Like I don't force it because what I used to do is I used to force it, and then that trade turned into over trading, and then I just started seeing myself gambling, and then I would look at other pairs just to try to get that money back, and it never worked out. So I
Hmm.
kept losing in the long run. So what I just do is just stick to 2 pairs. Like right now, I added a third pair, which is AJ, but I'm only trading that for Asian, and that's only with Paul. So
Okay.
yeah.
So three pair, like gold, I don't really, I mean, gold is just up there. It's even when I was trading stocks, I always picked gold out. Like
Um,
I would, just take, but like I always watched it. I never really traded it though. But
yeah. I mean, you could watch it, but like with let's say with gold, me and gold are not good friends right now at the moment. So
yeah.
yeah, I think you could watch it, but why watch it if you're not gonna trade it?
Yeah.
Unless you're planning to trade it, then watch it for a few. That's what I did with AJ. I watched it for 2 weeks, and then once I feel comfortable, I went in and traded.
The three main ones I watched, I guess, really well, is definitely the AJ and GJ. But sometimes I look at EJ because
Yeah,
isn't that a good London pair?
like let's say EJ is it's more cleaner than GJ. You'll get cleaner moves.
Yeah.
That's what I chose EJ because there's sometimes that it's GJ's too fast, and I go on EJ and I find cleaner moves. But the main ones that I stuck to is GJ and EJ, and I just added AJ like just recently. I just added it.
And that's only because you're
'Cause
watching Asian.
yeah, because I've been watching with Paul. That's why.
Okay.
No, this guy. Yo, my bad. Oh, I love you. I did it. I did it. Today we will. Today we will.
Hey, Paul, my bad for the confusion earlier, bro. I'm not even gonna attempt to sim like demo off of my cell phone because I placed it. Like I don't understand. Like I'm only 34, man, but I get lost with some of like the apps, like trying to figure out how to do this stuff. So I'm just gonna like when I placed the trade, like I was like thinking that it was kind of like how I would do a stop loss on the computer. So like you do it at like the way I've been doing it is like I place a trade and then I set the stop real quick. But then when I placed the trade on my phone, I was like how do I place a stop? And then I don't really understand the spreads. So I'm like, oh yeah.
But you're using TraderView and MetaTrader?
Yeah. Yeah, on PC, but I downloaded it on my phone. One thing I like about TradingView on the phone is once I logged in through my Google account, all my preferences, like the couple of pairs I have and my one lower high, high low indicator, like popped up. TradingView is pretty cool.
Okay. Yeah. Like what I do is that I look at TradingView just to mark up my charts, and then everything else, I usually execute everything on the phone.
Okay. Let
That's
me
how.
pull it up real quick. We're just gonna hang on a second here. Okay, so I'm just gonna do one just real quick random as if it was a play. I'm just gonna see new order. Okay, so I press new order, right? Now when I'm looking at the top, it says market execution. Then it's how much am I gonna risk? Then I have a plus and negative on the left and a plus and negative on the right. Is that my TP and stop loss?
Yeah, that's your stop loss. So you have to set your stop loss, and then you have to set your take profit. Yeah, correct.
Okay. All right.
But
So you do that.
Execution. It has to say market execution.
Yeah. Yeah, not a limit order or anything. Okay. Okay, so I can adjust it before I just like Weeble. Okay, I can adjust it before. But what I was getting messed up is I was trying to adjust it earlier, and I didn't. And I was like, why won't it let me put it's because of the spread?
What I suggest you to use also is this app right here. I just messaged in the chat. You should use it. It's you manage your risk really well. It's called Stinu. You should use it.
Okay. So how do you use this thing?
You put your balance. You risk what percent you want. I usually stick to 1 to 2%. I usually trade. I only trade one. I only take one trade, so I risk 2%. And then you put your stop loss, which is whatever your stop loss is with when you mark up your chart. It could be 10 pips, 15 pips, depends how you take your trade.
On TradingView, where's that tool that measures the pips? Is it the ruler?
There's two. There's a ruler, and then there's one called price range.
All right, so when I click on the ruler, and it just goes between, I have two horizontal lines already drawn, so.
Yeah, you could do that, but the ruler disappears though, like if you click away.
Okay, hang on a second. It says stop. Is it it says 3.5, is that how many pips? Or, and so is that 3 pips?
3.09.
Like just that's like where the, okay, hang on. What's the other way of doing it, you said?
There's this other one called the price range. Let me see where you can find it at. It's on the second to last on let me see. You see where it says long position, short position? It's that section.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a thing called price range. It's right under
fixed range? Oh, price range, I see it.
Yeah, click that. That stays. Actually, let me send you an example.
So if you have two horizontal lines drawn and you click the ruler, it automatically just populates. Or you can draw it that way. When you draw it that way, it pops up.
Let me show you.
And stop losses from your entry to the stop loss in pips, that's from your entry point to your stop loss, right?
Correct. What does it say? Like on that red section, what does it say? Like
That red section is like 3.5, 3.4.
Yeah, so that's okay. So
I guess you should round up because it doesn't let you do in point.
let's say and your risk 2%, and you said how much? What's your pip? What's your stop loss?
3 pips, we'll just say.
3 pips. Okay, so let's say it's 3 pips, and I risk 2%. And what pair is that?
It's EJ. So let me click EJ.
So EJ. So what you risk is $1,000. So it says with a 3 pip stop loss, you would have to use a 34. Oh, this is a high lot. This is a 34 lot. But look, you're risking, it's high lot, but you're risking $1,000 with 3 pips that you have. So that's why it's putting such a big lot size. But that's what the app would say. But if you feel comfortable taking, it's just 34 lots, then then that's what you're comfortable with.
It's saying 3 lots.
No, it's saying 34 lots. Like that's huge.
Mine's saying, excuse me, stop loss. Where does it say lots?
Where are you? You're on the app, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Paired to currency, it says risk 2%, risk amount, and then it says stop loss down to 3, and then in units it says 62,000.
Oh, okay. You have it in units, that's why.
Okay, so I'm doing something wrong. All right, hang on.
Go to settings.
Okay.
It says position size.
Oh, lots. I see. Okay.
Yeah, click lots. Okay. Now do it all over again. Put your account size that you have right now.
Okay.
And okay, what do you want to risk? Do you want to risk 1%? Do you want to risk 2%, 3%? What do you want to risk?
2%.
Okay, so put 2%.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now put how many pips exactly. Where do you want your pip stop at? Your stop loss at?
3.
If you want to have it 3, then put 3. Just put 3.
Okay.
After that, when you put select currency,
I see what happened. Now I see on how to for the lot size at the top, right below market. This is what I would change for like market for your size. Instead of like 0.50, 1.00, it just calculates it for you automatically. Is that what you're saying?
Exactly.
This is freaking amazing.
That's why it's giving you such a big lot size. I know it's scary, but
yeah, this is way the lot size I got now is completely different. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's what you're getting. You understand? It's 34. You're using a 34 lot, but you're risking 2%, which is only 1,000.
Oh, it's saying that my lots. I mean, this is probably the amount because this is about like it's a lot less than. I didn't put 50,000. I put what Here, let me change it. See what you're.
But the best gift was seeing everyone healthy and free, so you know I'm good. I would honestly take all of these gifts back, just to have a few people back.
So you see, I didn't.
Baby niece started walking and she teething. That helps me take solace in this season.
Okay.
We don't let the special moments go and just slip through the clock.
Okay.
Because we know the presence.
Okay.
Hiding in the box.
Now I see what you're saying too. With the 50,000, it's saying 34 lots. Okay.
Yeah, just be careful. Yeah, but that's if you feel comfortable doing that. But that's easier if for something to calculate your lot size. Gives you a good idea.
Did you see the
What's good, everyone?
Paul? Did you see what I sent you? Okay.
It was in the 1980s.
No pressure, man.
Rented a house on Dewey Street in Flint.
I'm sure it looks a lot better than what I tried to send you this morning.
I love fireplaces. It was the holidays. I walked in the house, threw my coat on.
Yeah, cool. Because it was literally like I sent that to you like 5 minutes before I had a Zoom call too, and like I didn't have TradingView downloaded on my phone yet.
No, it's not your usual, but this family's beautiful. We don't have your picture perfect, cookie cutter. No, it's not your usual,
Paul,
but this family's beautiful. We don't have your
you took one trade this week, right?
perfect, cookie cutter. No, it's not your
What day are you
usual,
on?
but this family's
Yep.
beautiful. We don't have your picture perfect.
I knew you were going to say that.
No, it's not usual.
Did not say that to Jay before.
No,
Blame Jay,
it's
bro.
not like that.
You blame Jay, bro.
Bro, why is it? No. Bro, he's gonna put his $60 a month. No. I love you, Paul. Today. Didn't know. But now I know that I feel special now that you said that though. That you wanted to trade with us. You know how good I felt? I called Sammy. I was like, Sammy, I felt so bad. I was like, damn, he actually wanted to trade with us. Yo, but you don't mind if I put my screen on, right? Because that's what I usually do. I just put my screen and then I just talk. Okay, cool. All right. No, that's what I do it on Zoom. I think Zoom only gives you like 40 minutes, right? Well, it would give me. The fuck?
Paul, we'll give you a personal invitation tomorrow. You have your own party. You can invite us.
Yep, you're not invited to my party. What up, YouTube? How's it going? Yeah, no, tomorrow. 100% tomorrow. Can't believe you guys ditched me like that.
Basically, what I said to Jay was, I said, let's hop on the voice chat, see if anyone's there. And he goes, no one's there.
I was in the chat. I said good morning.
I know, when you said morning, that's when I said it to him. I said, I know if someone joins the voice chat, Paul's going to join too.
Unbelievable. Alright. What up, Carollo, CS, Ross, Jamie, Ivan, FXFX, Asif, John Tyler. Who else we got? What up, Sanchez? Greg, how's it going? Jordan, hello. Ross, Huncho, KVA, EKZ, Wayne Jr. And I think I got everyone. Hockey Boss, hello. And Ivan, hello. Hope everyone's having a good evening. I'm gonna finish my food while we wait for this Tokyo Open and then dive into this thing.
What time is Tokyo Open? 6 minutes?
Yep.
Okay.
Sammy, are you gonna take any trades or no?
No.
You're gonna sit on your hands today.
Yeah. I
Let's
trade
see.
Asian on Thursdays.
It's like we wear pink on Fridays. That's what you do?
What do you say?
You wear pink on Fridays too?
I wear pink. Is that what you said?
That's what you wear pink on Friday.
No, what does that mean?
It's from a show, from a movie. I forgot to call that. I'm saying. We only wear pink on Friday.
You already know KVA. I'm not 2 monsters deep yet, but we'll get there by this evening.
I'm gonna send you one of these monster euros, man. It's a token of appreciation.
I don't think they have those here.
Yeah, there's only one store, and you got to go down to like the hood in Southside St. Pete. It's like a Habibi store, and I'm gonna see if I can find a screenshot of it here.
Wait, hang on. What you know about the hood?
What do you know about the hood, boy?
Come on, bruh.
Are you from here?
I grew up in Miami. I was actually born and raised in the Virgin Islands. I lived in Miami for over 15 years. The hood? You want to know about the hood? Go down to the pork and beans down there.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm straight, man. I stayed my ass on Clearwater Beach, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to kick it, man. Nope, I stay in my lane. I stay up here.
Jamie,
They're hanging out down there, man. I'm good.
Jamie, you look like you were raised in a subdivision in $1 million mansion and you went to Princeton. All right.
Shit.
You know what's been bad? Palm Beach. There's been so many crap that's going on over there.
Palm Beach, yeah, they've taken a page out of Miami's book, man.
Yeah,
Riviera just needs to be removed and start over again.
Yeah, they just kill them just to kill for fun. Yeah.
But I think the worst hood in Florida, though, is going to be Jacksonville.
I keep hearing about that.
They're straight, yeah. They have sections where police they won't go down because if they drive down, you see it on the news all the time, and police try to drive down, they just open fire, and like they try not to talk about it too much, but it's pretty bad.
Wow.
Damn, Ivan and Ray, man. You guys are gonna ruin the point system for everyone because I'm gonna have to raise the points.
Listen, that Banshee stole all my points like a $2. I got 5 points left. I'm done with it.
I'm gonna have to rig the gambling thing to take some points away.
Okay, so they changed the name of it, but you still have you heard of a monster import? It used to be called Monster Euro.
No.
I'll send it to you in the Discord. I'll put it in the general.
Bet.
It's jet fuel, high octane.
I mean, I don't need nothing crazy. I just need a little oomph. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but then you won't have to drink 2 of them. You can just drink the one. The can looks dope too, man.
I drink them for the taste, then more so than the energy. They don't really.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe they give me energy, maybe they don't, but I think I'm pretty immune to it. It's just the taste.
On the back of the can, half of it is in German. The back of the can.
Oh boy. So I don't even know what I'm putting in my body. Great.
Yeah.
Well, it's the ingredients are in English and in German.
Yep.
You get a heart attack.
All right. Bias on AJ Huncho right now. Still bearish for now, but I want to see what happens at Tokyo Open. That's what I'm waiting for to really decide. But as of now, if we keep respecting resistance, then we stay bearish. But we know how Tokyo Open gets, so we're gonna wait on that. There was a question. And tips for beginners. I would say just show up to the live streams. Or join some sort of mentorship to guide you. But
Pause mentorship.
yeah, you could do that. But I think that would definitely help for beginners to kind of get past unnecessary nonsense.
Yeah, you get to the point.
So wouldn't you need like resistance to like on AJ? Wouldn't you need resistance to because there's support from earlier at what like 75, 80? Gosh, my mouse. I need to get a better mouse. 75, 83. So, I mean, is that really that's still a pretty valid support level, right?
Where?
On AJ.
Yep.
So, like the risk to okay, so you would really need that resistance, to trade off that resistance for a short to make it and It just doesn't. Would you want to wait and see something play out underneath that support to break it and then start going into a trend, or for structure to form underneath it? Because, or is that something that you would consider for a small trade?
Right now, I'm just waiting for Tokyo Open.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna, if it breaks the low, then we'll wait for another resistance. But as long as we don't break resistance, I would expect support to break.
Mm-hmm.
So, yep. Yeah, Tokyo Open. Now that we have that, we'll see what happens. I would expect some sort of attempt to push to the upside, and if we continue, we continue. If we hold resistance, then we'll probably keep coming down to that low we made at like 75, 900 area, 870 area.
Yeah.
Yep. Damn, Ivan, you and Ray. I don't know, man. I think you guys are cheating somehow. To get points, all you gotta do is be here. That's it. That is it. And GJ, man.
What's up with GJ?
GJ is getting on my nerves. No trades for me since Sunday. I saw a decent sell opportunity, but this morning it was right here. This was perfect. It would have been 2 to 1. And it was literally textbook. We had support. Oh, we had support. Broke support. So it looks like resistance is holding. Supports are breaking. Oh, right there. And then we came up, made resistance. And then we came back to the low. And that would have been our textbook trade. But with how the 4 hours moving, whenever the 4 hour moves like this, I really just do not trust anything that happens inside of there. So there was no trade for me again. And it looks like we're still just like wedging ourselves in here. Got a little fake out above. And we're gonna see a breakout one of these days. Maybe in Asian, maybe in London, but something is coming. We got a little flagpole, and then
Yep, that's like a pressure cooker, man. Waiting to happen.
yeah, coming. Going up. Or we're going down.
Love the drawings.
Yeah, I was an artist in my second life, so, you know.
Paul Picasso strikes again.
Paul Picasso.
Man's got jokes today.
Nothing but love, baby. Nothing but love.
So Asian pushes. That's good.
Nope, we got a pot of gold down here, and we got a dancing man up here.
Yeah.
Going to one way or the other. Mario jumping over the flag strategy? Exactly. That's exactly it. The Mario double jump flag pattern.
Hopefully, London, it gives us something.
That would be really nice. I'd like to take a trade this week. That'd be cool.
Oh,
yeah.
I think AJ will set something up tonight though.
yeah,
Uh,
this today.
Are you ever in the Wicks Don't Lie stream?
No, I'm sleeping at that time.
Okay, because I've been every time I go in there, he mentions your name. He refers somebody to you.
I hope in a good way.
Yeah, in a good way. Yeah, well, that's how I got here. That's how I found you, and then I heard him say it again, and so that's how I ended up DMing you that morning. And then I was in it today, listening to him today on the car ride to work, and somebody in the chat had asked about if anybody does Asian, and he dropped your name again.
Oh, well, that's nice.
Paul's the only guy that does Asian. I've never seen anybody else do Asian.
He's got a monopoly.
That's because it's not fast enough. There's a lot of waiting. It's kind of boring. So why would someone do it?
Yeah, but you're like the service, the value and the service that you're doing to this community is like it's really strong because I don't have the time. I can't just try to learn strictly off of 4 or 5 in the morning. Like this is better for me, I think. I start to learn structure and participate in the evenings, Too hard for a 9 to 5. That's why I quit trading stocks. Couldn't do it.
Well, you're welcome. And I enjoy being here, so.
Oh, that entry would have been good at that lower high, but it closed weak.
Tokyo Open. No.
Yeah.
It would have been perfect if it wasn't Tokyo Open. 100%.
Oh, okay. Oh, what I was gonna say, around 3 o'clock on GJ, well, my time, on London Open, I always see it flip. So that's why I always get out before. I always see it flip. It goes the opposite way. I always notice that.
Yeah, Tokyo or London Open, it's just volume coming in. Like this morning on GJ. Yeah.
Yep.
We just went back to the top of the range.
Look at that.
How was everybody gambling on there?
I don't know, man.
Why don't I trust Tokyo Open? I just don't. Because it always does some wonky crap. So, I don't remember. I think it was last week I covered specifically why. Pretty much when Tokyo Open comes, if we're like in a downtrend, let's say, it'll go up, break above resistance, come back, close back in resistance, and then continue the trend. So it just kind of stops you out and then continues back in your direction. So we got all night. It's best off to just let that volume come in. Excuse me, and see where it goes. What up, VJ? Did you just gamble 20,000? Or how are you at 20,000? Alright, let's get to that chart. Totally forgot. Waiting for the break of this 15-minute support. Yeah, I think you're selling the low there.
You're good, Paul?
You choking on that food? It's about. It's cold over there?
I'm good.
It's cold over there?
Yeah, it's cold. I think I'm
Oh, that's why.
a little stuffy. But I would say if you're selling there, you're selling the low. I would let that low get pushed out. Don't you? Let it push it out. Let it make a low. Oh, that color. Let it make a low. And then come back and get in on the resistance, just like it did right here. That's what I would look for. Just with Asian session, that's going to give you a better fighting chance.
Yeah, that's what I was doing before. I used to sell at lower lows, and I used to get messed up. So it's better
If
to
you
wait.
even look at the 4 hour, it's been super bearish. So you still want to see some kind of a correction there.
On what pair?
AJ.
Odd JPY here. So I'm thinking like 76,300 correction and then continuation down. It's been super bearish.
Mm-hmm. Looking at the daily, we should get a little bit of a top wick, and we might see
Yeah.
some rejection from here to go up a little bit, and then we'll go back to that 4 hour, hit that rejection in here, and then come back down. Or we just
and
bust
even if you
through.
look, yeah, and then even if you look to the left, you have like this, what is this, 75,700 area.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's basically the same one that I think you have marked on the daily time frame. So you want to let price kind of break below that strong support on the daily to take that trade.
Yep. It did what we said it would do yesterday too. It said it was going to push up a little bit.
Yeah, and then it came back down.
Yep. We'll get something. AJ's been setting up pretty dang consistently, so.
Yeah, it's been pretty clean.
Mm-hmm.
EJ is really nice today.
Really?
Yeah,
Pull it up in a
I
sec.
just got like I got a scale-in opportunity like around 10 a.m.
Yeah.
As
EJ
well.
was so beautiful yesterday too. I caught my win on Asian for the first time.
Yeah, yesterday it was kind of consolidating, so I didn't really catch that, but I was just waiting for that kind of support to be broken.
Yeah.
And then if you look on the daily, it has a potential of going down to like, what is this, 122, 800.
So we're gonna mirror that whole candle right there, that whole bullish candle.
Yeah, and then if you look on like even higher time frames, we're just rejecting resistance levels and we're just coming down.
So
So
Sharma,
on
will you
the-
swing this?
Yeah, I'm swing trading this. I'm going for the 90 pips first off the daily, but if you look on the weekly, it's just making these lower highs and lower lows. So we just made
Right.
another lower high and we're just continuing down.
When you swing trade, you get what time frame do you enter on?
30 seconds.
I
Seconds?
30
Oh, I was like 30 seconds.
from like two hours, or if you're scalping, like if I'm scalping and then I catch like a nice trade in New York session, let's say, then I'll do it off the 30-minute and then just hold it if I see that potential.
All right. But your stop loss is huge, right?
No,
No.
it's
Okay.
like 10-15 pips.
Oh, what the heck? That's amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty much catching that scalp as soon as it's breaking those higher level support levels.
Yeah. Okay.
So like as soon as, for example, once that 4 hour support is broken, you get like a retest
Yeah.
on the 30-minute, right? And then you just take that entry to the downside.
Okay. That's beautiful. When I see people who swing trade, it's usually like at least 30 to 40 stop loss that I see. But that's
Yeah,
amazing.
because they take those trades on like the 2 hour, the 4 hour time frame. So if you're doing that, then it makes sense to kind of keep your stop loss above their resistance levels, right? But I'm taking these trades on like 30-minute time frame, like as a scalp, right?
Yeah.
Turning that scalp into a swing trade. So I keep my stop loss levels above the 30-minute resistance.
Yeah, but bigger stop losses so it could have more room, right? In the trade.
Yeah, that's what it's for. But if you already got that retest on, let's say, the 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour time frames, you already know it's coming down.
Yeah, correct. Okay. Never knew that.
You're welcome, Emilio. What chart are we using? We got AJ up right now. Just tradingview.com on AJ. On JPY. So I think the millisecond time frame is definitely the plug for that 100% win rate for sure. Zaid, what up? Why do I prefer FTMO over funding talent? I don't prefer either. I don't prefer one over the other. I just haven't tried funding talent yet. But I will say I have checked out their website and I've looked into them. And I really like their 2-week payout idea. I think that is super, super, super cool. Just like a little, it's like a little incentive to keep you, like if you trade good for a week or two, it's like extra incentive to trade good again for another 2 weeks. And then it just kind of, I think it'll help newer people sort of build that discipline and understand why consistency is important, because if they're consistent they get a little something every 2 weeks kind of thing. I think that's super cool. I really think if FTMO should do some sort of bi-weekly payout, because that would 100% put them over the top. So I mean, maybe if we get big enough we can have some sort of influence on that, but I mean I doubt it, but you never know. But I do think funding talents, what they got going on is pretty neat, and I will probably try that out coming weeks, coming months, probably after January, and just see what they're about, you know, because I do think that 2-week payout thing is pretty cool, instead of having to wait for monthly and whatnot. But yeah, I don't prefer one over the other. I just have not tried them out yet.
Paul, imagine bi-weekly 70% payouts. Oh my god. Imagine FTMO did that.
I pay my car off in 2 weeks.
But they have a monthly fee, correct? I don't know if I heard that right.
Yeah, I heard that too. I heard they do have a monthly fee. I couldn't find it on the website, but I know people who do it, and there is a monthly fee for the account. DJ's on the move. I don't know, man. If it moves, I got my alert set if we're gonna pop. GJ's not going anywhere. AJ's moving though. AJ's trending much better than GJ, so that's gonna be the move. 10k gamble is the max. I don't know. How do you keep winning? This makes no sense. But all these choices that have been my own, down the same road again we go, just hoping that the ending different though. I've been down the wrong road, and I've been all alone, drinking whiskey at the bottle.
Sharma got me looking at AJ now. Yeah.
AJ is the best for Asian session. I mean, I think I'm trying to think about it, like NZD JPY might be pretty good. I don't know how NZD moves, but I would imagine their spreads would be kind of high since it's not a super popular pair. We're waiting for a break for AJ to break below. We're waiting for a lower low, and then we're gonna wait for a lower high, and then sell resistance. So we kind of got a lower low here. If it goes deeper, great. Then we got a bigger target to the downside. When we pull back, we can target that low. So just waiting for a pullback and resistance. That's it.
Are you using Hugo's?
Am I using what?
Hugo's way?
No, I'm not. Oh, I missed the sub. Who was that? Thank you for the sub. Ikram? Yeah, no, but I had my first account was with them, and I still had an account, so their spreads are solid. Everything's pretty solid, so. And the broker I use doesn't have any sort of like affiliate or promotion or anything like that.
Yeah.
So,
it's awesome. Okay.
And I liked Hugo's Way when I had them. Just LMFX was better for Asian session. But Hugo's Way is good for London and New York, so I figured I'd give them some free promotion.
Yeah.
Thanks for the sub, Justin. Appreciate it.
You said LMFX is the one that you're looking at, or the one that you deal with now?
Yeah, that's who I like for Asian session. I mean, they're good for London and New York, but they're really good for Asian session too. As I know, a lot of brokers, their Asian session spreads are a lot higher. LMFX has, you can get GJ at like 1.5 pips for Asian session, so that's pretty good.
Wow. Okay.
Capital FX Broker. I'm not sure. I've never checked them out. Thanks for the sub, Ryan. Appreciate it. Dang, that's 3 in a row. Look at that. We're on a roll today.
My spread on GJ is 5 right now.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. And it's probably good in London and New York, right?
Yeah, I have KOT Forex. Like oh, sorry. Well, this one's the FTMO demo one, but the other one I have is KOT Forex, and that's pretty good to me too. I've tried it.
Demo server spreads are usually higher. There's no like the LMFX demo account
Yeah.
has higher spreads. So if you're like whenever like students practice on that, it's harder for Asian because the spreads are higher, but their zero account's really good.
I really like FTMO spreads. They're beautiful. Like wow.
Yeah, the FTMO spreads are great in every session. How many trades have you taken this week? 1. Just that one on Sunday. That's all I've taken. Still waiting. I mean, there's not really anything to trade on GJ right now. An Asian session, I'm kind of stingy. Unless AJ sets up nice, but GJ is just like
Sketchy.
yeah. GJ is not playing.
Hopefully London gives us something.
Yeah, it would be great if if something could break out. How many pips do I think AJ will do? I don't know. I'm not sure. Hopefully enough to get like a 2-to-1 risk to reward. That'd be cool. I see markets. I've never tried them, so I don't know. From what I saw on their website, the spreads look good.
Yeah, Paul, I've been trying to get those 2-to-1s ever since you were telling me to get those.
It's a game changer.
Yeah, I haven't hit it yet, but that's my usual target.
Yeah, I noticed on GJ it hits 2-to-1 almost every single time. In London at least. And AJ's pretty close as well in Asian, it just takes longer. AUD NZD is good to trade. I don't know, it might be. I've never looked at I haven't looked at an NZD pair in a long time, so I'm not sure. We can help you with your entry issue. We can try. I mean, let's say send some charts or DM me on Instagram or something. I mean, you're here every day, so I think you should have a good idea on not selling low or buying high. That's for sure. Thank you for the sub, Notorious. Appreciate it. Let's pull this up. What do we got here? Who sent this? Pascal? Alright. Exactly. We got EJ. Yep. Exactly. So if you look here, super easy to figure out. Support created, broken. Support created, broken. Support created, broken. Resistance respected, respected. Blah 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 blah. So ideally, if we get another resistance, we should be respected and we should come down.
Exactly how he has it, that's what I'm looking at.
Yep.
Perfect.
But I'm looking at on AJ too.
Who was this? Pascal Salvador. Yeah, perfect. Those arrows are a game changer.
It really makes it visually easy to be on the right side of the trade.
Yep, it does.
Or at least the right side that gives you the best opportunity to win.
Oh my gosh.
Nope, so you just look for so here we'll draw the arrows. So what you're gonna look for So we got these bearish close up here. Resistance established, price came down. Resistance established right here. Price came down. It's a little messier in these two up here, but resistance was made again here. Price came down. Resistance made. Oh, did we come back? Back up. Okay, good. Hopefully we stay up. I don't know why that turned off. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. Yeah, hopefully the stream stays up. I don't know what that. Hopefully there's no internet issue. That would really ruin my evening. But yeah, wait for that resistance to form. Here we go. We're getting a nice volume out of AJ. That's what we want to see. What up, Jeremy? How's it going, brother?
That's beautiful.
There we go. Lovely. I see your chart.
Sharma, of course you got in, Sharma.
Oh, I didn't get into AJ here. I'm only trading
No,
EJ.
EJ, that's what I'm talking about. EJ, I said, of course you got in.
Yeah, I mean, it broke
Perfect.
the daily.
Yeah,
And it's
perfect.
continuing down.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah. This is going to trend real nice for this session. Because if we look, let's have a look-see here. Once we get under here, remember that clean traffic from last week? That monster candle? Look at that.
Yup.
So we have from
Filled.
here to here, we are going to see some sexy moves. 25 pips almost. Who's in Zoom? Everyone's in Zoom, Garzad, except you.
Yeah,
Get it
we're
together. Even Sammy and Jay decided to join us instead of doing their own call.
Bro, no, don't say that.
Ooh.
Don't say it like that.
Bro, they did their own. They did their
Dang.
own call this morning. They didn't even include any of us.
Dang.
Mhm.
It's like that. Huh?
Yeah, apparently. Yeah,
I like
that's what I
that.
said. I couldn't even sleep today. I was so upset.
Sheesh.
Mhm.
For AJ, we're still coming down. And it seems like break below this, what is it, 75,700.
Mhm.
Even on weekly, it seems like we'll probably come down to kind of make a lower low.
Yep. Ooh, AJ is setting up so nice. I love it.
Yep.
I love it.
So if we get a lower high, it's better for us to wait and get a lower high till we could take that candle down, correct?
Yes.
Mhm.
Sell high, buy low.
Yes. 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 Kick them out and put you in. I mean, I don't know, John. Maybe. I think I was just gonna double Jay's monthly membership, and Sammy's said he was gonna pay me monthly for the mentorship on a monthly basis. So I mean, he's like a few months behind. So I got a nice fatty check coming in apparently.
No,
Mhm.
but you know what? I'm getting the full one before this year ends. So let's see.
Right. I think it's a good idea because I have it broken down to the monthly pays for the full mentorship in 11 months. So
No, I'm doing it before December. That's it.
gotcha. How to get in Zoom? You got to join the group through the website. And the monthly membership might not be up for much longer. I'm contemplating taking it down, so then it would just only be that one-time fee. So
Oh, you were planning on taking it down?
I'm thinking about it. It's a lot of extra managing to do that I really
Why do you say that?
don't
What do you
need to
plan?
do. Thanks for the sub, Juddy. Appreciate it. But if you're already in and you have the monthly, we can discuss something and make it work for you. So it's not just pay it or get out. It'll be like you're gonna have, because it's you joined from me putting it on the website, and then if I take it down, there would be we would make it work. So where like you could do like some sort of maybe like payment plan, or
Yeah. That would be,
like if you need a month or two or something, just something like that. We'd make it work. But yeah, to sign up for mod, you can't sign up for a mod, but you can I mean, if you show up long enough, you'll probably get a mod after a while. Thank you for the sub, Rick. Appreciate it.
But Jay be snaking out, so I don't know about
Yeah, I
that.
don't know. Jay might not. Jay has either got to
Yo.
join or he's out.
Everybody just putting me. Everybody just throwing me under the bus today.
I mean, with your actions from this morning,
I
I don't
mean,
know.
where's the lie?
I don't know.
I
No?
never really-
Where's the lie?
You guys are making me nervous.
Don't overtrade.
Yep.
Don't overtrade. Get nervous and overtrade.
No, but let's see if Paul pulls up today.
What do you mean? I'm there every single day.
Paul, we'll see.
Yo, okay, we'll see. We'll see if you and Sammy don't get a room and.
At,
do
all
your
right,
own
at
thing.
2 o'clock. Okay, at 2 o'clock on the dot. Okay.
Ooh.
All right, at 2 o'clock on the dot, you're gonna see me message you. Watch.
Okay, we'll see.
Where's Sammy at? Sammy always leaves me alone.
Yeah, he went to bed. I think he went to
He
bed.
does that. He throws me under the bus and he leaves.
I mean, you jumped in front of the bus, so
You gotta look both
Try to
ways.
protect Sammy.
Sammy just followed you, or you guys both held hands and jumped together. I don't know. I think Gerjat and I are doing our own private call today, so I don't know. Why didn't I sell? The only confirmation was that little tiny bearish close right at Tokyo Open, and I don't trade at Tokyo Open. John, you should be getting your points up there now. I don't know where your points are at now, but I wonder where Ivan's at. He's probably way up there. Make sure you guys vote for Friday too. We only got 24 total votes in, so if you're showing up to sim on Friday, make sure you get your vote in for what you want. See where Ivan's at.
AJ's winning for the sim.
Yep, AJ is winning for the sim.
Wow.
Oh my god, Ivan passed me in points? What? What? Wow.
Just leaving us.
Wow. Yeah, I think AJ's got a good possibility on Friday. Yeah, I'm gonna have to raise up that 1 month in the Discord, because definitely was not expecting that to happen in less than a week. But if Ivan is planning on doing that, I will leave it at 100 for him, and then it will be going up. But it looks like there's only 2 people doing really good. It's Ray and Ivan are the only ones really. Everyone else is not even over 2,000, so maybe everything will be fine. Yeah, it's all good. We'll honor the points. If we need to change it, we'll adjust, but can't do it when he's that close. Not really fair. And just wait for AJ to set up. I think we'll get a setup before the 4-hour close today, because it looks like we got nice volume already, so I would expect a nice move. Yeah, Streamlabs is gonna start sending me a monthly bill or something. They are not prepared to work this hard. You guys are gonna overheat their system or something. Can even do that. There's a prize at 100K. Yeah, there's a you get 1 month in the Discord, the private Discord group, so you get access to the Zoom call simulations. You get access to our daily sims when we do them. They're supposed to be daily, but I've not been getting to bed when I should have. If we do weekend stuff, you get access to pretty much everything that the paid mentorship would, except one-on-one calls. You don't get that.
Oh man.
I'm so confused why everything's tanking.
I don't know.
Everything's down.
Can we expect a retest for continuation on EJ? Maybe. I would say you can definitely expect a lower high and then resistance and then probably continue. But never know.
Sharmer, you got in really good. Nice.
Thanks.
So what's everyone saving up for in the chat? What's everyone what's everyone trying to get to?
Skip a song. No, I'm
Skip a
just
song. How many points for the Discord link? It's 100,000.
Ooh.
Yep. So ideally, the way I originally mapped it out, when I set everything up in terms of hours and how long you have to be to the stream, you should have to be on the stream consistently every day, start to finish, for 3 to 4 months, depending on how active you are, and then you get that month in the Discord. Was my plan. And then the other one for the 30-minute one-on-one session, I think I'm gonna put that one as the highest one. That one was supposed to take about a month or 2 of showing up every day to get that one. So just a little way to kind of build some discipline and whatnot. Maybe if you don't like dieting or going to the gym, maybe you consistently show up to Asian session. And
Are you thinking of adding more stuff?
yeah, I'm definitely gonna add more stuff, but I need to come up with some more ideas.
What about?
But I'm open to ideas. How much is a lap dance? Well, you'd probably have to buy a ticket out, and for you specifically, it'd probably be 1,000,000 points plus a $10,000 deposit, and then you'd have to fly yourself here.
Dang.
Yeah.
Yeah. What if
Are
you do
you-
a discount off your course?
Not a big
dance?
fan of discounts.
Oh, okay.
It's already incredibly. It should be higher, honestly.
It should. Not gonna lie.
I should put it to 500, but I feel like then that would make it a lot harder for people. Plus, with everything going on in the world, like some people aren't working, and I feel like 375 is manageable at least right now. So then people can put their time doing nothing to use instead of me just raising it to make money, kind of thing.
Yeah.
But eventually it'll go up. But I think right now, especially during all of this, we're gonna keep it where it's at, just so it's more affordable and we can hopefully help more people.
Yeah, that's why that's why I'm gonna get it before the year ends, because I know you're gonna put it up. I know it's gonna have to go up sometime, so I'm taking my chance now. And the group is good anyways. It's amazing. So
Yeah, I mean even the monthly one. That's why I think I'm gonna take it down. Is it's basically a mentorship with the monthly one.
yeah, you focus on everybody. You talk.
Yeah.
You're always in the chat.
Yeah. So, but 375 is expense for Europeans. Yeah, if you're not in the U.S., I mean, I don't know what it looks like for expensive or not, but
Yours is actually cheap. I've seen more expensive.
I mean, like normal ones are, like I know some that are 1,000, and you don't even get one-on-one calls. You just get a group,
Exactly.
and then they throw signals in there. I think Rakila's was 500. That should have been at least like 1,500, honestly. With everything they have there, that should have been at least tripled. But again, he doesn't do it. He doesn't need to make 500. He doesn't need to make money off people that way. It's just kind of like, I feel like the payment is just, it's like a commitment.
Yeah.
It's like if you're gonna invest that amount of money, it's like it's just enough to like, okay, if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do it. Not like oh, I paid for it, whatever. I don't really care. It's just a little bit. I think that's all. It's just a commitment on their end. Yeah, no, he definitely does not. But you know, I've seen some that are 1,000, some are like 2,500. Like that's just ridiculous.
Yeah, like this like I've checked out other courses, but this is my first one paying for. And the only reason why I paid for it is because you actually pay attention, you talk to us. There's
Yeah.
many other things you do, you know,
Yeah.
which the people gotta find out. But yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I would say depending on what's offered, 1,000 could definitely be like if it's like in person once every few months and maybe like 2 or 3, maybe 4 one-on-ones a month, plus a live stream and a group, and then like group activities either during the week or on the weekends. Okay, maybe 1,000 would be okay. Maybe 1,500 if you're doing like 1 or 2 in-persons a month. But like 2,500, like how, I don't even know how you could put that much value into this, you know?
Dang, 25.
I mean, maybe with signals, but then why would you?
Yeah, but signals.
Why
is
would
not
you
gonna
do?
help.
Why would you spend 2,500 for signals?
Signals is not gonna help. I've tried it already, and that's not gonna teach you anything.
Yeah.
I've done everything. That's not gonna work.
Well, the thing is, a lot of people, again, they don't really want to put in the work,
Yeah.
right? Because if you look at like how many people started trading just because of, you know, lockdowns and trying to just look for another income or whatever,
Good board.
like those people are like, okay, I have like a daytime job, but you know, it's not always gonna pay me enough, so I'm looking for something else where they don't have to put like too much brain power or whatever. But there definitely are people who want to learn, right? So those are the type of people who would be looking for some of that quality over signals.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. And the thing with like signals is not like if it works, it's not okay. Let's say you pay $600 for signals, right?
Yep.
What happens when that person dies?
Or they just stop doing
Exactly.
signals.
Like yeah, let's say what happens when that person dies. You're gonna always depend on that person. You have to learn. You have to put in that work, because if not, don't even waste your time or money.
Not even that, but like how many times, like the signals aren't gonna work every single time, right? You should be able to look at your chart and like tell, you know, if this is a right entry, if this is something that you're comfortable with, if there's something that works with your risk.
Yeah, exactly.
Instead of just being like, hey, like entry at 75 850, TP at like 75 544 554, whatever, right? Like how many times is it really gonna hit before it retraces?
Exactly. And Sharma, you know how many
Still-
times I've tried to take signals and I blew accounts?
It's crazy.
so many
It's crazy.
times it never works. I thought it used to work, it never works. I had to learn the hard way.
Mm-mm.
And AJ is still pumping.
Yeah, what is this? It just keeps
This
going.
is beautiful. This is beautiful because we're gonna get a nice pullback. Oh, this is gonna be so beautiful.
So perfect 2 to 1.
Oh my God, yes, it's coming. It's coming.
50 lot. Here we go. Full margin.
Full margin, full leverage.
Yeah, I'm
250
gonna use Uncle
250
Fed's lot size. 50 lot.
Yep.
I'm done for the whole month.
For the rest of the year. Merry Christmas.
Yeah. 250 lots. That would be, yeah. We could be done for the week. I feel like I missed a chart. I don't know. I've never looked at the stocks. I think the stocks, their candles are not like this. There's like gaps in their candles, I believe, right?
Yeah, if you go down to lower time frames, if you look at like daily, weekly, like some of those higher time frames,
Then it's
you'll
normal.
see, yeah, it's normal. But if you go down to like 1 hour or like 2 hour, you'll see gaps.
Sharma, are you invested in Apple stock?
Apple, yes, I am.
So he's like, yeah, I got like 60 shares.
No, you know, I started actually pulling out as soon as they did the stock split, because I knew it was just gonna be like a quick push.
I bought.
And then
so
after that,
high.
what was that?
I bought at the worst time at the hype.
Yeah, see, that's the thing. Like, even, you know, apply the same things that in Forex, right? With stocks too. It's all the hype, right? It's the hype that's gonna push it up, and all the major investors, they already know that, yeah, this hype is coming, this and that. So they start putting in the money at the very bottom. For example, the iPhone 12, when it came out, like, it happens every single time with every single like stock or product or anything, right? Right before the product's about to release, you'll see this hype, you'll see the stock surging and everything, right? And then as soon as the product comes out, that's when people are like, oh, it's not really what I expected, and then dump.
Yeah, that's true. That's crazy.
Steven, this is beautiful. I don't know. I think you should have held it. I think you were good on that W, bro. I think you were good. But yeah, Tokyo Open. That was that candle there, I believe. Because it would have been our 1730. So yeah, that was right before Tokyo Open. volume came in, and we just broke support and continued. So I think you were right, but waiting for Tokyo Open was definitely the play. Now we got our lower low. We just need a pullback and resistance, or a pullback and resistance. Does not matter where. All you need to see is resistance, and we are golden.
I hope we get a good resistance. Really hope so.
Yeah, I think resistance is gonna work pretty solid. It'll happen. Yep. If you don't have Instagram, Rayon, if you make a Telegram, my Telegram's this. I can put that in there too, but making an Instagram would probably just be the easiest. That's definitely the easiest place to reach me. Yeah, Steven, gotta be careful. Tokyo Open. Always wait for Tokyo Open. If you're trading Asian consistently, just consistently wait for Tokyo Open, because then you'll never get wicked out off of that open with the volume coming in. In Bali? Nope, I'm in the US. I don't know if anyone's in Bali. I'm sure somebody here is. I'm not, but
Nice, Bali.
yep, AJ will give a pullback. I mean, if we look at how many times AJ's just dumped without a pullback, it's pretty rare. So
Oh, how do you feel people watching you from around the world?
it's pretty cool.
Right? Bali, that's pretty cool. That's where I want a vacation at. Bali is nice.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. There's people from everywhere.
Yeah, put a 50 lot, catch that win, and then go to Bali.
That's
100 pips on a 50 lot would be, that'd be wild.
Sharma and Paul, you guys want to go? I'll put a 100 lot. You know, I'd make some more money.
If you're buying, let's go. I'm down.
You're fine.
Let's go.
I'll pay for the flights and food. Everything else leave.
All right.
Yo, actually, like, it's very cheap out in Indonesia. Like, very cheap.
Imagine the Airbnbs are the Airbnbs are super cheap for
Yeah.
such a beautiful Airbnb. Yeah.
Cause compare the dollar, like a dollar USD to, I think it's INR or IND, some in Indonesian rupiah. That's what it's called.
Rubies?
Yeah, Thailand's really,
Yeah.
really cheap too.
A dollar is equivalent to 14,000 Indonesian rupiah.
Wow. You'd be balling over there.
Well, you also got to look at, like, if it's that cheap compared to like the dollar, then of course their economy isn't that great either.
That's true. But there's always I feel like there's always places where there's good areas and then bad areas. But the I
Yeah.
don't understand what you're saying, like economy wise. Yeah.
Yeah, like the overall, but yeah, definitely. I've heard that if you go in certain areas in Indonesia, all I know is about Jakarta, but if you go in certain areas, you'll see like a nice hotel, and then right across the street is like the slums.
Yeah.
Mhm.
But it's the same exact thing in India too. So
Yep, that's true. Like you have a panoramic view of the ocean across the street. It's like a whole bunch of bumps and stuff.
just don't look down from your 12-story
A
view.
panoramic view of the slums.
Yep.
Damn, Ivan, you hit it already. That's insane, bro. That is insane. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna need to change that, because looking at everyone else's points, no, you and Ray are the only two in 17 pages of members that are even over 2,000. So, and you can actually only do, I have the push-up timer. Once one person does it, there's a 30-minute cooldown. So you can really only do it like 4 times a stream. So, but I think Ivan's gonna spend that 100,000 on something else.
Is there any news? What's going on?
For news for Euro, we're pretty much looking towards.
Oh no, don't
the
worry, I
stuff
won't do
after
push-ups
today.
when the setup's coming.
News. On what trauma? Say it again.
For Euro and GBP, So after today, we're pretty much just looking towards Thursday when they have their video conference, the EU. They're pretty much going to be talking about COVID and Brexit stuff there.
Aren't they supposed to be doing something with that? Is there something going on that's causing GJ to range? I feel like there's a fundamental reason, or is it just ranging because it's ranging?
Yeah, well, it's the document that I sent you last night. So it's pretty much all of that where...
Oh, it is? Okay.
The diplomats that are closest to the negotiations,
Mm-hmm.
all their sentiment, if you look at it, or even if like you want to look up more articles on top of whatever I've already sent you, if you look at all of that, then most of the diplomats that are closer to the negotiations, they're saying that it's too late at this point, and this is the final week where they can still have a deal, like talk it out.
Yeah.
But after this, they're not gonna have enough time. And then the EU Parliament is saying that we're willing to push back the deadline to December 28th. Like, we're willing to work through like that Christmas period to look it over if we get a deal by the end of the week.
This week?
Yeah.
Oh, so it could be stuck all week.
Yeah, so pretty much all week we're just waiting for like, okay, is there a deal? Is there no deal? But since the sentiment is still very bearish, given those news as well, pretty much at this point, just keep capitalizing off the bearish sentiment, I guess.
Gotcha.
And just watch for those higher time frame levels.
So you think that Euro and the JBP is still bearish for this week?
Yeah, with that sentiment. And then every time we get like, even with the vaccine news, right? It's supposed to bring in like that optimism. Every time it comes out, you see like the official just pretty much shutting it down. Like, yeah, it's cool, this and that, but you know, it's not really going to change our restrictions on what's going on. And that's the biggest thing, because if the restrictions don't change, then the businesses don't open.
Yeah.
Right? So.
And London, they're in lockdown right now also. So.
Yep, Ivan, you hit the number already. All you gotta do is redeem your reward, and I can send you a link for the month. Thank you for the sub, Pascal. Appreciate it. Thank you, brother.
See, this is what I call sitting on our hands, just waiting.
Just chilling. That's incredible, John. That's incredible. Very, very nice. Are gyms open where I live? Yeah, they are. And hopefully they stay open, or I'm gonna go insane.
Oh, you know, I could see you with your own gym. Like, I could literally see you with your own gym, owning your own gym. I thought about doing that in the past, but definitely just a home gym. Whenever we go to a condo or a house, that is, I'll have my office in the basement. As like the whole basement will be the office / coaching studio area and content area, and then a gym. Yeah, that'll be dope.
That's my plan. Thank you for the sub, James. Appreciate it. We are getting closer and closer. We should hit 11K. By end of week, next week. I'm just waiting for Ivan to.
Good, man, that's good.
To redeem his points.
Once you hit that, you said that, I think you said like a week or two ago, once you get a little more traction, you hit that 10K, the channel's gonna get wheels on it.
I hope so. Yeah, we've been getting like 30 to 50 subs every night, so that's pretty cool.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Leon, you remember when you sent me your chart?
Yeah.
You see how it would have played out?
Yeah.
So always take a reminder and always look at that. So next time, which you will see it again, that's when you know, okay, let me take it at a lower high.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, it did play out.
And it would have played out perfect. You would have smashed your TP really good.
Ammon, I don't know about this one.
What do you not like about that one?
So you see how we kind of made a resistance here?
Yeah.
And then we broke it. I would just say this just looks a little messy. It doesn't look super textbook, you know what I mean?
I agree. The only, I guess I don't really, that one bullish doji right there, I just didn't think it was like
valid enough.
yeah, I really didn't think it was valid enough. Like,
I agree. I
If you-
agree. But
if you did take that one out, I think it would have been really good. But even with how it is right now, I think the risk to reward on that entry would be, I probably would have taken it.
fair enough. I can't argue with I can't argue with that. However,
But I don't know.
he redeemed Money Gun? Oh, Ivan, I can't believe you did that one. Alright, we will do that one. Let me pull up this chart for Robbie. I thought you were gonna redeem the 100,000 one. What do we got here? AJ. Very nice. Beautiful runner.
Wow,
Perfect.
That was really nice.
Very, very nice. Alright, let me just make sure the Money Gun has a cooldown, because that will kind of be a once a stream, because then I'm gonna have to pick it up. The Money Gun, we're gonna do the Money Gun at the end of the stream. Because I don't want to have to shoot it and then pick everything up. So at the end of the stream, we will shoot the Money Gun as long as Ivan is still here. Yeah, we'll do the Money Gun at the end. It's pretty much, I wish Andy was here for this, but everyone was making like Monopoly and their demo jokes and whatnot. So Andy thought it was a good idea to buy a Money Gun and put Monopoly money in it to troll, because that'd be funny. So we have that. I'm gonna leave that here, and we will do that at the end of the stream. And
Wait, so you're doing Monopoly money, or are you gonna do like?
oh no, it
real?
has Monopoly money in it for that's the whole joke.
Oh, okay.
Because everyone always says demo, so that he asked me if I wanted a Money Gun for that, because it'd be funny, and I was like, yeah, sure, let's do that. That'll be funny.
Being one with access to private Discord too.
Oh man, you should make a meme out of that, Paul.
Out of what?
Like when you're doing your Money Gun.
Oh.
FTMO.
Oh yeah.
Put someone in timeout for no reason. Who we putting in timeout?
Jay.
What?
He's snaking out here. He's snaking out here.
Oh no.
Gotta be
Yeah,
somebody.
you need to put Jane time out. You stuck me in there twice already.
There's gotta be somebody in the chat.
All right, Sharma, 1 out of 10.
Make CS behave. Alright, CS. I'm out, brother. Oh, you timed him out. Do we do London as well? Yeah, we do London in the private group. We don't do it on the live stream. There's a lot of messages that just came in. Give me 1 second. I am trying to set the timer. Ivan, I'm gonna have to put a cooldown timer on some stuff, so you don't just I think if you do too much, it'll just blow up and be obnoxious. So don't go too crazy with all your points yet. Let me make sure there's a cooldown. So 60 minutes. Oh boy. 60 times 60 times 2. 7,200 seconds is our cooldown on a Money Gun, so it's just once a stream. Alright. How'd I get into Forex? When I was Ubering with my buddy John back in the day, we came across this guy named D Gibby Fit, right? And he was making like major money every single week, like a few thousand every week, and we were making like about 1,000, maybe a little over a week doing Uber. And he was working like just a few hours a day, and we were like working like 8 to 10 hour days, like 6-7 days a week. And So we checked it out. He signed up first because I thought it was a scam. And he signed up first, so either it was a scam and he lost his money and I didn't, or it was good and I was going to join after. And then it ended up being good. I joined after and just started learning from him, and then found Wix Don't Lie on Instagram, and then I found him on Mixer, and then he switched over to YouTube, and then kind of befriended him, joined his group, and kind of went from there pretty much. And DJ's pushing the bottom of the range. Yeah, hopefully it pushes out. How do you get points? You just gotta be here. All you gotta do is be here, and you get points. And if you're active in the chat, you get more points. So if you're here and you're just kind of watching, you're inactive, you get 10 points every 15 minutes. If you're in the chat, you're here and you're active, you get 35 every 15 minutes. So if you're here paying attention, chit-chatting, you get more points. Yep, thank you. Yep, I know, I've heard of Inner Circle Trader. I've never really looked into it. I mean, I try to just do my own thing. I found it worked for me, and I try to just focus on what I'm doing and not worry about anyone else. I found that works best for me and for life. That was good.
Hey, can I ask you a question real quick? Because I did step away. I'm trying to get ready for work in the morning.
Yep. What's up?
Okay, so on AJ, on the 30-minute chart, just at the last candle, how the wick it's a pretty long wick, went down, bounced, price moved down there, bounced up. Do you think, being that the candles are getting smaller, do you think that's probably could be a possible area for support, or do you see it big?
On AJ?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, we made support now, so I just want to see resistance get created. Ideally, push up a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Thank you for the sub, Douglas. Appreciate it.
Paul, that's what I was gonna ask you. So let's say if this candle right now closes bearish, that would be a lower high it created?
If we close bearish,
Yeah,
yeah,
like-
it's just not going to be a great one. Ideally, we'd like it to push up and make a top wick.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Why would you want it to create a top wick?
Just because most candles have top and bottom wicks,
Mhm.
so it would just look. It'll just be better.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
But being that they don't have wicks, like as it stands right now, that's pretty good resistance since they don't have wicks.
We didn't make a resistance yet. It has to close bearish first.
Okay.
Yep.
But let's say if you did take this trade, when it closes, where would you have your stop loss at? At the previous
Above the resistance.
Okay.
Yep.
But I'm scared because it has no wicks.
That's what I'm saying. Let's see if it makes one. We still got 11 minutes.
Oh,
The
okay.
hourly just opened, so ideally this hourly should have a top wick, right?
Yeah.
So let it make one. I think it'll make one. What's the cooldown on gamble? I don't know. I didn't set one, but there might be one automatically built in. I'd have to check. But yeah, I'm not sure what it is. I didn't see news today. Could be though. Yep, news should be good now, unless there's more underneath here. Nope, yeah, we're good on news now. News is good.
Hey, I have a question on TradingView. How do you set up like two charts next to each other?
There's where it says unnamed, there's a thing, there's these two, there's like a box that says select layout, and then you'll see it from there.
Just show it to him on the
I
screen.
see it.
Oh, you see it?
Yep, side by side, horizontal, vertical. Okay.
Yeah, this one right here.
Yeah. But yeah.
Yep. All right.
All right, everything is set. Perfect. What did I miss? People talking on the Zoom call, part of the mentorship? Yes. Yes, they are. Some of them are from Akil's group. So if you are in, I don't think you can join anymore, but if you are in Akil's group, I send them the link as well. Stream will go from 5:30 till 8:30 p.m. Central Time. Mentorship link, just go to the website on the bottom of the screen. It's scrolling right next to the stream boss, and you can join through there. Are they paying to talk to me? Well, I mean, technically, I guess,
We
yeah.
give them $3 for every 4 words that.
Yeah. Oh, what happened?
What'd you do?
Wow, what an asshole. I see how it is, Ray.
Ooh.
I see how it is.
Wait, when you make hosts do push-ups, how many you have to do?
It's just 20. Push-ups incoming.
With one hand?
Alright, Ray. We got a secret band coming too. You guys and your push-ups. I see how it is.
One arm push-up?
Just right. You don't know what push-ups are?
No, I said one arm push-ups.
You want to get kicked out of Zoom? Why would you say that?
Better him than me this time.
Talk about last time.
Wait, hold up, Paul. Hold
Stop
up, hold up,
recording this.
hold
Stop
up.
recording this.
That was 2.5. Keep going. 3 1/4.
5, 6.
5 1/2.
At least let the cat jump on your back to give you some resistance, man.
I don't know how many that was. I think it was 20, at least. I need to stop wearing sweatpants and a long sleeve shirt for this, though. Whew.
Got that pumping.
Yeah, my chest is all pumped up now.
He said you want to get kicked out of the streams.
I'm gonna be a lean 220 in no time. I did 30? Okay, sweet. Good, because I'm about to have a heart attack. I'm just kidding, kinda.
Ever done pyramid push-ups, like 32 pyramid push-ups?
Don't speak that to me. That's just so rude. How dare you?
I think if you do 32 pyramid push-ups, I think it's like what, like 1,000 and something push-ups.
Oh, so you want to get kicked out of the call too? Wow. All right. It's gonna be a quiet one tonight. Any reason I won't relocate? Oh, well, I mean, family and friends are all here, so yeah, I don't know.
From money made from Forex, have you ever like taken a trip? Gone anywhere?
Not yet.
Yeah.
I don't think.
Where do you
Hold
want?
on.
Where do you want to go?
We did like a weekend trip. I think we've done 2 weekend trips. But like
But
traveling,
like yeah, like I'm nowhere near the northeast corridor. You know, somewhere far. Where would you go?
My house.
I don't know. I think they
Wow,
have-
Jay.
I can't remember the name
Live
of the
Zoom
place.
sessions at Jay's house.
I don't remember the name of the country. They have like glacier springs that are like hot and like super pretty. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, I'm trying to think. Well, Turkey's got those.
No, not there. It's like a really common
It's not
like
glacial springs, but they're like, oh, Japan. You're talking about Japan.
No.
Where it's like The
Nope.
monkeys are sitting in the.
Nope. 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 Not Greenland.
Galapagos Islands.
Iceland. There we go. That's it.
Nice.
That's it. Yep.
But nowhere warm. You don't want to go anywhere warm.
I don't know. I'm more focused on. I'm more focused on like a house and stuff like that than traveling and spending money. But I mean, I'm sure I'll do some traveling. I just don't know where yet. What did I miss? Every man should be at least 40 push-ups. Yeah, I mean, it is like 85 degrees in here because all these lights are on. 4 monitors, a PC, a skylight, a modem, a router, and a couple other things. So it's like really warm in here. But yeah, I think you should be able to do at least 20 for good like body weight strength. Hopefully AJ can push up and then give us a nice little wick and then close bearish, and then that'll be nice to come down. I'm not sure if you will. Depends on what your stop loss is, what your lot size is, all that.
I think in Thailand or Bali, somebody had mentioned that earlier. I got stuck in Russia for 7 months in 2012.
That doesn't sound fun.
No, my visa expired by 2.5, 3 hours, and they wouldn't permit me to leave the country. Because in 2012, Putin was up for re-election, and they claimed there were CIA proxies in Moscow causing unrest. So my visa expired by a couple of hours, and they denied me exit. So I had to fly back to my girl. She lived in Novorossiysk in southern Russia. Had to mail my passport back up to Moscow, and it took about 7 months.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Wow.
And while I was there, we would get this happen several times. I found out the immigration department is owned by the mob, because you'll get a phone call, and they'll call you down there, and they're like, "Well, you have a ticket," and but my friend, he works in the courthouse. Sergey, he's a good guy. Sergey pays your fine for you. You just give me money, and I pay back Sergey. No problem.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That sucks. Dang. So what? You had to get a job out there or something?
No, at the time I had an advertising company down here in Florida, a telemarketing company.
Okay.
Yeah. But that was kind of like the end. That was like my demise, though, because I trusted wrong people. But everything you learn, learn from everything and move forward.
Yep.
It was definitely a character building year.
Sounds like it.
Yeah.
What's GJ? Did GJ do anything? I have alert set when it breaks out. Oh, we're kind of getting close.
Where's
Yeah.
your alert?
I got alert set just outside the 4-hour range, so 137,800, 138, 381. Kind of where I'm looking at.
AJ keeps looking like it wants to close bullish and then goes bearish again and bullish.
EJ is tanking.
Yeah, I know.
Beautiful. You get a nice pullback and resistance. Beautiful trade right there. Same thing for AJ. Hopefully this thing will push up, give us a nice bullish close. We get a nice bearish close on the next one. Blue light for the room over red light. I love blue's my favorite color, but it is one of the rewards to change the colors. So if you don't like it, you can change it.
It's got 30 seconds left.
Watch it act crazy.
So if it closes like so the body is like a millimeter thin, like real small, it would just be irrelevant. That wouldn't tell us anything.
Yep.
Okay.
What up, Jordan? How's it going?
Okay.
Well, it looks like it's going in the green.
Beautiful. There we go.
Yeah. No. This is.
Perfect.
Hey, Paul, if someone was actually buying here, where would you look to target?
Maybe up here,
Okay. Okay, we have the same.
but I wouldn't be buying
Not yet.
because it's gonna make resistance somewhere. We just don't know where. Ideally, maybe here 4, but we do have a level we just cleared here, so maybe we get it here. I think if you're buying here, it's more of a impatient trade. I hope you're not buying.
No, hell no, hell no.
Heck no, you mean heck no. Yep. Alright, Roger, and see you later. Ivan, make sure you stay. We'll do that money gun at the end. I got it setting out for you.
Now we have to wait to see to get resistance. If this pushes further and gives us a resistance, that would be perfect.
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna head off, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Alright, Sharma, we'll see you tomorrow.
Have a good night.
Yeah, you too.
You're gonna miss out on more push-ups.
No, I'll watch the YouTube video.
Play back.
Alright, see ya.
Bye. Can't believe you recorded that, Jay. Unbelievable.
I saved that in my camera roll. I have to.
Yeah. All good. Good promotion, bro. It's good promotion. We gotta have some fun. We've been waiting for something to set up for a hot minute now.
Yeah, how long have we been waiting? Like an hour?
15, 30, 45, an hour, 15, hour and a half. Hour 42 to be exact. Garzad, it's on my story. The push-ups are on my story. Yeah, I was waiting for. I feel like Ivan's gotta, unless he doesn't want the Discord link. Figured that's what he would be saving for. Again, if you're just popping in, make sure you vote. We have 202 people, only 29 votes in. So far we have AJ with 11, DJ 6, UJ 6, Gold with 6.
I wish we could hear your music on the Zooms.
Uh-oh.
I didn't even know you played music.
Of course, I can't.
Like never hear. I sometimes hear a slight background.
Yeah, I hear it, and I'm like, oh, I want to hear something too.
Sounds like it's a radio, like in the next room or something like that.
Oh no, it's
It's very quiet.
I'm like picking up the music.
Oh, okay. That's not necessary. I'm just saying, it'd be cool.
Yeah, it won't let me switch it. Because if I switch the speaker, then I won't be able to hear you guys.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, I see. Oh, whatever. I'll just play my own music.
Dave, I missed your chart when we were doing any of that silly stuff. Just resend it. Or if I missed a question, just resend it. There's a lot of chat going on. Try to answer everything. Yeah, Jordan, I saw your setup on Instagram. I think I followed you back. That was got a nice little setup. That's pretty cool.
Oh, I remember the first time I saw your streams, right? And I subscribed to you.
Yeah.
And like you're like, oh, thanks, Jay, for the subscription. I was telling my girlfriend, I was like, babe, he said my name. Babe, he said my name.
Yeah, it's a nice personal touch, I think.
Yeah, I like it. I was like, oh shit, you actually paid attention to me. I was like,
You know they make a pill for that, right?
They make a what?
A pill for that.
Did you say a pill?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Inappropriate.
What do you say, Jay?
oh, look at you, Sammy. Don't even over here, Sammy.
Oh, now Sammy's gonna pop back in after the heat's gone. The heat's not gone, Sammy.
No. Paul, I'm over with. You got the heat.
I think I gotta leave, bro.
It's bedtime for you, huh? Yeah. Jamie, you have 30 points. You're literally here every day. How do you have 30 points?
Cause that crooked banshee stole 3,000 of them last night.
Oh my god. Man. How many votes we got? 31 votes now. There we go. King AJ. AJ is the prize, apparently.
Watch out for my
GJ, any
vote.
trades? Nope, no trades on GJ. GJ's still just looking real nasty. We're waiting for that. Waiting for it to break out of that 4-hour range. Quality trades.
You said exclamation vote and then AJ. Watch. Let's see if it works.
Oh, did Ivan redeem that thing and I missed it? No, did I miss it? Oh, he did do it. No,
What happened?
I missed it. So I did the push-ups. Ivan, I am sending you your link right now. I did the timeout one. Money gun will be shot at the end. All right, Ivan, have that mic on. No swearing. No, try not to have background noise. Join Zoom.
Sometimes I feel like I done lost it, and I don't even really know the cost yet. But every time fears on my
How long
Let's get
did?
him in the group. Let's get him in the call.
I know I can't go.
You put him in the car.
Oh, he's joining the group for a whole month.
Nice. That's gonna be cool.
Doing big things. Doing big things.
Yep. Here you go, Ivan. I have sent you the link. So I sent you the link on Instagram to be able to join the Discord, and then when you join, on the left side, you're going to see it shows text channels. Go to Asian session, and then scroll up a little bit where it shows join Zoom meeting today at 5:17 p.m. and just click that, and you will be in the call with us. Alright, so that one is fulfilled. Beautiful. And then we'll finish off that money gun at the end. Beautiful. And then at the end of the stream, once I end it, Ivan, I can quick run you through how to use the Discord, how to find everything and stuff like that. And then yeah, you don't need to talk, no worries. We can always I'll just talk at you at the end, and then we can catch up tomorrow or in London session.
That's a super cool reward to do. Honestly, that's really cool. That's a smart idea.
Yep, thank you. I thought so. Like, I mean, I figured it would be. I mean, it benefits me by kind of giving access to the group, so then more people join. But it also helps other people because they get to join for a whole month for free, and that should really excel their trading journey. Pibby Rick, no, you'd have to just join from the website. I'm assuming you're in Ricky's, so my Discord would be something different. But if you want both, you can join both. I mean, I don't care. Fine by me.
Once they see a sneak peek of what we show, then you know, okay, this is good.
Yeah, I could probably market it a lot better, but I really hate Instagram.
But I love how you don't though, because it's like, you know, when you stay quiet and then it's like, oh wow, like he has all this stuff, he doesn't even talk about it that much about it. Like I love that. Like,
Yeah.
you can look. But I understand what you're saying too, whereas like it would help you more.
Yeah. Like I could be making so much off of it if I marketed it properly.
Oh yeah, definitely.
But I mean,
but you've been on a roll, especially with the streams. You've been on a roll.
yeah, we've been kicking some butt.
Oh, that's what I was gonna ask. Why we didn't do no streams today? I'm The Sims.
Because I've been staying up way too late this week. I've been trying to watch New York to see if GJ breaks out, and it just doesn't. So I didn't get to bed till 10 a.m. So I was awake from 4 p.m. to 10 a.m. So that was an 18-hour day. So I just needed more sleep.
Well, we have Sims Friday anyways, right? With AJ. Or is it Thursday? When are we doing Sims?
What's up?
When are we doing the next Sim?
I'm planning on going to bed on time today, so tomorrow is my plan. Or we could maybe no, we're not, because we'll probably still be watching this after the stream. Yeah, tomorrow, and then if anything, we'll do it Saturday, Sunday to make up for the days we missed. I missed, I should say. But yeah, it's hard to get up at noon when you go to bed at 10 a.m. when you're up for 18 hours.
Nah, I give you props. I don't know how you do it. I give you props for that.
Yeah. The hot sauce was a good one. Yo, Tyler, I don't know, man. You might have to leave, brother. You keep talking. You and Gerzak can go make your own live stream. Thank you for the sub, Chi. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Can you unsubscribe and resubscribe for shout out? You might be able to. I don't know. Rayon, if it's not working, try Telegram. See if you can make a Telegram. You should be able to. And then we can chit chat on there. Cause yeah, I'm gonna need a way to contact you to get you the link if you join anything. Yep. No worries, Ricky. Thank you. Hippie Rick, appreciate it. He said, yeah, I'm assuming you're from Rakil's group because I don't think you're in mine. So, I mean, you get access to the live streams, so. Who else subbed? Thank you, Mr. D-Cast. Appreciate it. Joseph.
Oh,
Oh man, AJ is gonna be so nice once you get resistance.
yeah, I'm
Feel it. I can feel it.
I think tonight's gonna be good.
Yeah. And then we'll redeem that one. I can't believe I missed the Discord one. Man. At 6:57:07. Did the when Ivan, when you redeemed the, oh wow, we flipped quick. When you redeemed the group access, did it pop up on the screen? Oh, I missed it. Dang it. Really wanted to see that. It should have popped up with like a little the little emoji thingy that is set for okay, cool. Cool. Hopefully we can get a nice bearish close here.
All right. Well, looks like AJ could be playing out.
Hopefully.
Did you take that one, Paul?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm in it too.
Alright, entry 771. Uh, 829 is stop loss.
Let's go, baby. Alright, I'm gonna focus.
See if we can get 2 to 1 on this bad boy.
Paul, I like it when you copy my trades because I was totally taking that one before you were.
Yeah. Okay, buddy. Okay. Oh
Alright,
shit.
this is where I be quiet now because I'm concentrated. Oh, this is good.
Hey, stop
This looks
swearing.
good, guys.
Yeah. I gotta
It looks really good.
Yeah, I have a 5 pip stop loss. I think it's 6.
See what happens. Hopefully we can keep moving. Remember, we got clean traffic. We got clean traffic down to here. It's literally one candle, so hopefully we can move down pretty nice. TP will be 2 to 1 for me. Maybe 1.5 to 1. But once we break under here, then I'm gonna go break even. And it's either gonna hit my 1.5 to 1 or 2 to 1, or it's gonna hit break even. So if we can get under here, that would be really good. Get Trello up later. Hopefully this bad boy can go. Second trade of the week. Hopefully it plays out. Target is 2 to 1. So it's about 12 pips. 1 to 1 will be about 6. So we'll see what happens once we hit 10 pips. That might auto be right at 9.5 pips. That spread's too high. Yeah, my spread is 0.6. Hopefully the trend will continue and push us down. Oh, now my trading view froze. Perfect timing. As long as MT4s don't freeze. How do I give points? I can give you points. I just don't know if I want to. 0.6. Yeah, FTMO's got really good spreads. And AJ is lower than GJ. GJ is 0.7. But excuse me. How do you give others? I think I disabled that feature. I don't think you can. Pretty sure I'm the only one who can do that. How do you check your points? Just go exclamation point points and you can check it. As long as we respect resistance, we should be good. This is a new 30-minute, so get a little bit of a top wick. Hopefully we don't break that candle. Yeah, the dramatic music. Let's change that.
My heart's been ripped wide
There we go.
open. So many mixed emotions. It's like I finally noticed. I've been set free. I've been set free. I spent a lifetime running, fearing what I'd become if I stop playing goalie on all of my thoughts. Yeah, speaking out straight from my heart, but now I see. But now I see.
My opinion on this trade, price made a low, it made resistance. I'm expecting us to come back to the low. That's my idea. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can play out, and then once we break, if we break these, then I will go break even, and then target just underneath. I'll be back in a second. Hopefully this will continue. My stop loss is above the bearish candle, which is above resistance. I'll be right back.
No words enough to show it. Now my whole world's in motion. I feel like Fred in my neighborhood. Yeah. Call me and I will make sure to set you free. To set you free. Oh, I see this love is taking over, breaking through my chest and overflowing. With every single beat, it pulls me closer, closer to you. I'm never gonna hold back being someone to lean on. I'll always be there to
Come on, AJ, let's go, baby. Black Bull, and you have a 2.1. I have FTMO and LMFX for my broker. Ooh, come on, AJ, let's go, baby. Push. Open.
Let's go.
Come on, bish.
I'm securing something at 5 pips. I mean, at 1-to-1. Sorry.
Taking a 1-to-1, yeah.
No, I'm not taking a 1-to-1. I'm just securing at 1-to-1 something.
I want to try and get 1.5-to-1 or 2-to-1. I think 2-to-1 is 12.
Paul, you're using the 50 lot?
I'll post it on Instagram when we win or lose.
I think that's just basically a same play setting up on GJ right now.
Possibly, but yeah, GJ's is still ranging really hard.
Yeah.
So, oh no, it hasn't even closed yet. That needs to
I'm
close.
saying if it sets up bearish.
Yes, I agree, but it's kind of ranging, so I would say maybe not the best. Excuse me.
So like as far as say you were to disclose bearish like right where it's at, would it be riskier because how tall that bullish candle's wick is?
No. But if it closes bearish like that, that looks really ugly, so doesn't look good. Charts, we'll do charts after the trade. Like to stay focused when I'm in a trade so I can manage accordingly. I think once we get underneath this wick here, that'll be breaking that previous 30-minute low, and then hopefully we'll continue moving down, fill this wick, and we're in clean traffic right now. If we look left, we're in clean traffic, so I'd expect this to keep coming down, and hopefully it'll come down quickly because it's such clean traffic.
Oh, you know, what's it called? Magic keys.
Yeah.
Do you have the pip counter on it now?
It is a pip counter?
Yeah, do you have that now? It's
No,
on
I
the
need,
latest.
if it has that, I'm going to update it then, because I didn't know it had that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
it
added
does.
some cool features, man.
A pip counter is amazing, bro.
That'd be really cool.
Somebody redeem 2,000 quick.
Oh shit. Come on, AJ, let's go. Arr. Hands get really cold all the time. Hands and my feet, really bad circulation. Hey mate, I just said we're gonna look at charts after the trade. Gotta listen. Hopefully we get a winning trade. Yep, yeah, as soon as we're done, send it again. We will check out the chart. EP is 2 to 1, 1.5 to 1 or 2 to 1, depending on how price moves. Ideally, we want this to close bearish, not bullish. Hourly, yeah. So like 0.650. Yeah, I got 620. I know what I'm looking at, but I might take it before that. So we'll see how it moves. We start closing in the opposite direction, then maybe we minimize a little bit, because we don't want that. We want price to keep closing bearish. Yep, trust the analysis exactly. Brr. Come on, AJ. Come on, AJ. Come on down, close bearish.
Sometimes with the hotkeys, like the second that last candle closed bearish, and we went into this candle, that's like right when you would trigger it, or like if that was the play you wanted to
On
play,
what?
and it's all the setup is.
I don't know what you're talking about at all. What's the play? For what? What are we talking about?
I'm saying in general with your hotkeys, like obviously to get out of a trade really quick, that's cool. But like for getting in it, like you pretty much just trigger the hotkey like the second the last candle closes in the direction that you want to go.
Yep.
As far as your
As soon as the candle closes, yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
So that candle that just closed on 15 minutes, that's irrelevant.
On here, well, that's not the close we wanted, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna just manage my risk. Trust the analysis. I think we should still come down. We got a weak bullish close, so I think resistance should hold. If not, then I guess I was wrong. But gotta let the trade play out to not mess up the probability.
Right.
Yep. So
what do you do for like controlling like emotions for like letting it hit your TP?
I mean, managing it helps, but just knowing exactly what I can lose,
Mm-hmm.
and knowing that every time I review all my trades, 90% of them hit 2 to 1.
Mm-hmm.
So I just gotta trust that it's gonna get there, and if I don't like something, I can go break even. I can always leave early, but it is gotta make sure you get at least that 1 to 1 risk to reward, preferably above. So hopefully resistance will hold. We can get back to the low. Is it really 90%? Yeah, almost the past couple weeks since I've been switching 2 to 1, damn near every trade has hit 2 to 1 except like very, very few. So closed half since you closed bullish? Yeah. Yeah, I think we're still coming down, so I'm gonna let it play out a little bit. I think we should test the low.
I used to watch the families on TV, praying to God that could be me. Why does their life look so easy, and every problem ends so cheesy? Then I start to wonder.
I kind of expect us to fill that little bullish wick, that candle, and then tap here. So maybe instead of going 2 to 1 now, we'll take it to here. We'll see how we move as we're coming down.
Until I learned that you gotta love what you got. We don't have your picture.
Excuse me.
No, it's not usual, but this family's
Burr.
We don't have your picture perfect. Cookie cutter. No, it's not your usual, but this family's beautiful.
But I'd say momentum's to the downside, so if we change directions from here, then I'd say that just unfortunate.
Seeing everyone healthy and free, so you know I'm good. I would honestly take all of these gifts back, just to have a few people back. My baby niece started walking and she teething. That helps me take solace in this season. We don't let the special moments go and just slip through the clock, cause we know the presents ain't the things hiding in the box. I used to be sad, cause we didn't get a lot, until I learned that you gotta love what you got. We don't have your picture perfect, cookie cutter. No, it's not your usual, but this family's beautiful. We don't have your picture perfect, cookie cutter.
1 hour needs to close bearish. Yeah, I think as long as our 30-minute close is bearish, I mean, I'd like this 15 to run down to here. But bearish closes would be good. 30-minute closing bearish, and ideally move. If this 30-minute just sits here, that's probably not going to be great. We would prefer this to move.
I walked in the house, threw my coat off, sat on the floor.
Yeah, I really want this 15 to break this low and get into this area. Kind of what I need to see on this candle. You got in late? Yeah.
But this family's beautiful. We don't have your picture perfect cookie cutter. No, it's not your usual. But this family's beautiful.
Kid started screaming, yeah. That's never good. Whoa! Come on, AJ, what are we doing here? Why aren't we coming down? Yep, I'm still in. Okay, we'll see if resistance holds. Yeah, we got that clean traffic, so I'd expect us to not have too much of an issue coming down, but yeah, it might if it tries going bullish, like I said, that's gonna be really unlucky, otherwise it might end up ranging, but we had really good volume, so I would expect us to continue good volume. Yeah, we'll see how this candle closes. If it closes bullish, I'll probably just close full if it doesn't launch to stop. But I would I'd expect us to come down. Be real unlucky if it didn't.
Yeah, I hit my stop loss because I managed my risk, but using a 20 lot, I only lost 540. So.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It is what it is.
I don't know why this isn't down.
I know I thought it would be perfect, but
yeah.
Watch after the stream.
Agreed. Yeah, I mean, I'm only taking one, so hopefully these last 5 minutes can close this 30-minute bearish still. But we needed to. I wanted to see those lows get broken. That's annoying.
Yeah, that's a little annoying.
What did GJ end up doing? Nothing really. Yeah. Still got 5 minutes. Maybe we close bearish. Maybe we don't.
Thank God I got out.
Yeah, it's not looking good.
Yeah.
No.
See, right here, I would look to manage my trade in or cut half or something.
Yeah. It's not looking great. That's annoying. Oh yeah, it'll go down eventually, but we needed it to go down from here. Maybe we flip in the last 4 minutes, who knows? That would be lovely. Yeah, probably not within the SO. Like 30-minute might need to make some resistance, and that might get above that minor 15-minute resistance we made. We got 3 minutes, maybe we flip. Excuse me. I mean, if we flip and move in the last 2 minutes, that would be great. Then we get a bearish 30-minute, and then hopefully resistance will be good and we can come down. Five minute. Yeah, we really got to break that little. Looks like we made a little 5-minute area here that we're kind of struggling at. And we really need to get under there.
That's whatever. Unfortunately.
Yeah, hopefully we can come down. A PS5 for some points, yeah. I just don't think Asian sessions should. It doesn't usually make resistance and then break it, or make support and then break it against the trend. So I would expect resistance to be respected and us to come down. Let's see, we got 40 seconds. Close bearish, should be okay. Yeah, hopefully we close bearish. Oh, we flip bullish. No. Come on, AJ. Bearish close. Ooh, last second little flip. What our 30-minute do? 30-minute kind of dojied out. Yeah, I'm gonna I think we should still get to the low. Oh, that was an hourly close? 4-hour close. Yeah, hopefully we can respect that resistance and come down. Continue going bearish. If we can hit 1-to-1, probably just take that if it doesn't stop us out. Wonder what the issue is. It's got clean traffic there too. Yeah, we're right under here.
Clean coming down. I really thought so.
What's up?
I said I really thought it was gonna be clean coming down.
Yeah, I thought it'd be smoother than it is. That's for sure.
The Forex god is watching us, and after we leave, it's gonna go our way.
Yeah, I'm hoping this 4-hour can bring volume like it usually does and push us down. But we need to stay underneath all that.
Did you close half?
No.
Okay.
If this one flipped and went to into the positive, I was gonna close half at break even, but didn't do that. So
That's what I was gonna do, but then I managed my risk and it hit my stop. I was like, all right, whatever.
yeah, I mean, I think that was definitely the right idea. I'm definitely holding in through the nonsense a little bit, but I just really think resistance is gonna hold, and we should come down. I mean, it does it every Asian session, so that's what I would expect, but could be wrong. Watched it happen so many times. That's kind of what I'm expecting to happen, is continue down. But maybe if we flip and get into profit, I'll just close and maybe look for a re-entry.
Yeah.
We don't get stopped out. But yeah, I really think it should come test that low. I don't know why it's not.
I'm just happy I closed at 2 pips. That's really,
Yeah.
it's whatever happens.
Everything's still closing bearish though. So
But what was that whole tanking down? What was that? News or it's just
no, just price coming down.
jeez?
Yeah. Excuse me. 'Cause yeah, if we break resistance, then we're probably gonna be, then we'd be making higher highs and higher lows, and yeah, that just seems, yeah, we'll see.
This trade looks like the same one we took today.
Looks like what?
You know, the trade we took on Thursday.
Yeah, it looks identical
Last
to
week.
it. It's just not going down yet.
So that's why Thursday we see a lot of volume in the Asian, in my opinion.
Yeah, I've been seeing good volume every day though, to be fair. So
Okay.
yeah, so can I show stop loss and TP? And I already gave all that information out. And I mean, it doesn't matter where my stop loss should be. You should have your own stop loss and TP idea.
People want to copy your trade, bro.
But now they can't.
He said no, they can't.
This would be real annoying. First GJ ranges and now this thing's ranging. Like, come on. What the fuck is going on with all this ranging? So annoying. 4-hour broke that support too, so I'd expect us to come down. It'd be real annoying if it breaks up. Who subbed? We had a new sub. Thank you for the sub treat. Appreciate it. Come on, AJ. I don't think there was news, unless I'm mistaken. I mean, there was AUD at 4, but that was before we even started. Yellow folder. That was way before. Yeah, I don't know. Everything's bearish, and the 15 minutes kind of ranging a little bit. Yeah, we kind of died off here, it looks like. Five minutes. Not looking great. Not looking great. It's so quiet when people get in trades.
Yeah, I get super focused. Like right now, I'm just doing my journaling, and that's it.
You're doing what?
Like right now, I'm like doing my journal, and that's it.
Yeah, still watching this nasty thing.
Bro, this is my first time that my losses are small. I only took Monday 4 pips, negative 4 pips. Tuesday 5 pips, 13 plus pips, and then right now negative 2 pips. So my losses are super small.
Not bad. Oh, what was just redeemed? Something was redeemed, I think. Yeah, this thing's not looking great, that's for sure. Oh, Ray, you did Discord too? Nice. All right, Ray, I will get you after this trade. Hopefully we can start coming back a bearish. Terrible time to start ranging. What up, Sanchez? We're in AJ. Well, I'm in AJ sells, but it's not looking great. Price is kind of ranging, so I am looking to minimize at this point. If I can get out at break even, I think that's what I'm gonna try to do. But yeah, not looking great. Might need to make some 30-minute resistance, and that might be better. Maybe it's gonna push up to here if we go up, but we made resistance underneath here, right in here, so, but it's having an issue probably. I think we were under this area, to be fair. I thought we were underneath that area. Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe.
All right,
Yo, Paul.
Yo.
2 o'clock. Watch your phone.
Hey man, I'll be up.
All
I'm gonna
right.
head out, Paul.
See you later.
See you at 11, bro.
All right, guys. Peace and love, y'all.
See you later.
Yep.
Come on, AJ, come down. Quit playing. Yeah, I didn't trade anything this morning. This is the first trade I've had since Sunday, and AJ's kind of sloppy right now. Not looking great. Yeah, there could be support there, but price is going bearish right now, so I'm not going to look for buys. Alright, yep, that's it. I'm out. Price did not want to play today. That's annoying as shit. Well, I think 30 minutes going to need to make some resistance. Yeah, that's annoying. That's annoying. That was literally fucking perfect. Let me journal this up. And then Ray, I got you on the Discord. I'll send you that in a minute. Let me journal this. Oh, that was so perfect. I hate losing perfect trades. Asian AJ sells.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out 'cause you kept cutting the cord.
Price ended up ranging and started to move up. A 1-1 for the week. And we'll see if the 30-minute does anything. Yeah, I think if the 30-minute rate makes resistance, that'll bring it back down, to be honest. We're still bearish. There's still no buys right now. I don't see any buys, but I think a bearish 30-minute would be solid to come down. Just 15-minute was not, didn't want to do it. Wanted to maybe retest this area or what, but yeah, it just did not work out. But I like the trade. That was a perfect trade. We'll take that one every time. Yeah, we'll see what happens. What time is it? Got 15 minutes. All right, so we'll get ready to close up. If we get a bearish 30-minute, I'll look for a second opportunity. Other than that, that'll be it for Asian session for me. DJ, still just dog crap. No trade there. EJ, same thing. EJ, bearish 30-minute. That would look good. And then, yeah, so if AJ makes a bearish 30-minute, then I would target down here. And then maybe we got clean traffic, the 75, 554 area. That's kind of what I'd be looking at there for that. Yeah, so far that first one did not work out. What's a Google mod team? I don't know what that is. I do not know what that is. Yep, we'll get them next time, no worries. So that was a perfect trade. We waited for a low, got a lower high. Maybe should have managed it here, but I trusted the trend that we should continue, and then we didn't, so oh well.
Hi, Paul.
But, make sure.
How are you?
What up?
Yeah, I took a buy in GJ.
Nice.
Yeah, actually, what I was studying from few days, like it's been ranging in 4-hour candles. If you see the 4-hour candles in GJ,
Mhm.
it's been ranging from 3 days. So what I did when it went to the support, which is 137, 867, I took a buy there. Although that was a bearish candle, but I took a buy, and I made a like 50%. I close at 10 pips,
Nice.
and now I close another 50%, which is now 75% close, and my runner is running.
Nice. Nice. Yeah. I'm gonna wait on AJ on the 30-minute. If we get a bearish 30-minute, then I think that'd be a good second opportunity. Then we got a nice top wick on the 4-hour. See some rejection here, and then get down into this area here. That'd be what I'm looking for AJ. I'm gonna close the poll for the night. Close the poll. So far we got AJ in the lead at 14, GJ was 6, GJ was 7, gold was 6. Ray, message me on Instagram if you haven't, and I will get you that link. But yeah, if you took that AJ you lost, or you took it and you minimized, very nice. I probably should have minimized and closed at a small loss once this candle closed. What I should have done better, but I just believed everything I've been watching for Asian. I just really believed that we were gonna respect resistance and come down. So that was my mistake. I should have managed that better. But it was a $2,000 risk. I think it was a $1,300 loss. So still minimized it a little bit. But if we get a bearish 30-minute, I think we're coming down. So that's what I'll be looking for. Bearish 30-minute. I'd look for a second opportunity. Take it down to these lows. Otherwise, I'm gonna head off, guys. I will see you all tomorrow, same time. Oh shoot! Forgot about the money gun. Uh-oh, good call. I feel like you can't really do it when you lose, but where's the camera? Make sure the camera's on. Alright. Alright, on that note, the money gun won, we lost. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Just let my heart break and trade that for a good song. I've been down the wrong road, and I've been all alone. Drinking whiskey at the bottle, honey trying to drown all these sorrows. Only thing that I know, if it glitters, it ain't gold. I just let my heart break.